ISO certification can seem like a daunting task given all the requirements. There are general steps and processes every company should follow to become successfully certified to a given ISO standard. ISOP follows these processes and has simplified them to make for a much better overall experience for our clients. First, we encourage every customer to start with an ISO gap analysis. Its purpose is to surface the missing items, or those that are not applicable, needed for you to become ISO certified. ISOP conducts a gap analysis in a live meeting with an audit coordinator and lead auditor to provide guidance on each item. This guidance is crucial because it helps determine whether an item is truly missing, satisfied, or applicable. This ensures the analysis is done correctly and the scope of the audit is correctly determined. Second, ISOP's team works with you to develop the necessary documentation and has a robust library of templates for just about every manual, policy, or procedure needed. Every ISO standard has documentation requirements that need to be met for certification. Third, education and training are needed for all applicable staff named in the finalized ISO documentation, risks, and objectives. ISOP can provide a learning management system which is used to train staff. Our learning management system can also help with employee turnover by training new hires quickly on the ISO expectations. The last step is your audits. With ISOP, we facilitate access to auditors and an ISO certification body for Stage 1 audit and Stage 2 accredited audit. We only use accredited or verified auditors and certification bodies. Our clients choose ISOP because of our support, fixed fee options, simplified ISO process, our ability to accommodate their needs, and our commitment to customer service. We continually receive high marks on our customer experience surveys, proving we provide a stellar ISO experience. If you're in need of help with ISO, contact us today so you can learn more about what it's like to work with us and how we can be the right partner for you.